In today's video, we are going to show you how to use coupons on Sugargoo so you can save money on your next order. The process is super simple once you know where everything is. So let's begin. Now the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials and then hover to your account, which can be found on the top right corner. Click on it, and then as you may notice, the coupons can be found here. Okay, I just want you to click on it. And then from here, these are going to be some of the available coupons that you can use. For example, if you wanted to use this, like 20 no threshold coupon or 150 off orders over this amount, you can simply click this use button. And then it will forward you to your order and simply apply it to your purchase. It's super simple, right? So basically, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.